Good evening everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel SelfImprove. Today I am here with my friend Ravindra Singh. As you already know that he is my friend, and today we are going to discuss about one topic that is what is the use of there. And today we are going to tell you some example of there, use of there. So first I want to start from my friend Virendra. So give me some example of there.
मेज पर दो किताबें रखी हैं.
Okay. He asked me about. He gave me one question that is in the दो मेज पर दो किताबें रखी हैं. So we can say in English, there are two books on the table. Second one.
उसी पर दो बैग है.
There are two bags on the table. Sorry, chair.
बोतल में थोड़ा पानी है.
There is some water in the bottle.
एंड दीवार में छेद है.
There is a hole in the ball.
बॉल. कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं.
Nothing. I don't have to say anything.
बेड के नीचे बिल्ली है.
There is a cat under the bed. Okay. Now I want to ask you some question about use of there. And first one is that वहाँ खड़े हो जाओ.
स्टैंड देयर.
Good. And वहाँ जाओ. Good. And third one is that वहाँ पर दो बैग हैं.
There is a two bags there. There is a two bags on.
वहाँ पर दो बैग हैं.
There are two bags there.
There are two bags.
There are two bags on.
So you want more question?
Yes, I want two more questions.
So क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं. क्लास में बहुत बच्चे हैं.
There are some more students in the class. There are more students in the class.
Okay, it can write, but write sentence with that. There are many students in the class. Okay, understand?
Yes.
So these are examples we have given you about use of there. So for today's we are going to wrap up this video, and we will come back soon. And for today's, bye. Good evening. Bye.